Today for the Bitcoin and Ethereum price, guys, the short and midterm outlook for Bitcoin and Ethereum couldn't be more different to each other. But I can tell you something, the price targets I am going to quote today for Ethereum, $10,000 and Bitcoin, $100,000, they will probably be reached much sooner than you expect. I will be talking about the immediate short term as well, of course, how I'm going to trade it for Bitcoin and Ethereum and what price targets I'm expecting for both of them here in the immediate short term. Watch this video until the very end because I have exclusive content today I have never shown before on YouTube. Make sure you watch this video until the end, you support the algorithm, you smash up the like button, you leave your comments down below and you share this video among your friends. You know guys, I truly appreciate it and you are the reasons why our channel is so exploding like crazy. So join the MMCrypto family, the most supportive and also most profitable community in the world right now by pressing the subscription button, pressing the bell and pressing on all. And with that being said, I want to get straight into the content of I want to be talking about Bitcoin and about Ethereum. First of all, we are starting with the immediate short term, and I really want to urge you guys to watch this video until the end because the long term is more important. As you can see here, in the short term, the Bitcoin price seems to be retesting the support here. So the question is, are we going to break down or not? And what you can see here is this symmetrical triangle for Bitcoin. It's not a perfect one, but we got enough sufficient touch points on the upside and we got sufficient touch points on the downside. I don't like this big black space here, but well, in the end of the day, this is a legit one. So in the question is, if we are breaking down here, what is the price target and is this actually illegitimizing the bullish standpoint we are having here for Bitcoin and also for Ethereum? Well, if we were to break down, the technical target would be, let me quickly measure this, the technical target would be approximately among the $58,900 levels. I personally would ring all the alarm bells when we are going below this horizontal white resistance line, slightly below 60,000. This would be extremely bearish for Bitcoin and I would ring all the alarm bells once again. But you see here this big green support box and this was legitimized by many touch points here before and also by the previous all-time high. Personally, I think if Bitcoin breaks below, highest likelihood is that we are creating a higher low for Bitcoin here and maybe even a W pattern before we are breaking out towards the upside for good. Let's wait and see what happens here. And as always, guys, the immediate short term is not as important as the longer term for Bitcoin, and this is actually what I want to be talking about because we not only broke out of this symmetrical triangle here. If Bitcoin continues to create higher lows also on the hourly candles, I personally think that this rise towards the upside is still in place and that our price target of approximately, regardless whether we are breaking down here or not, could be still 68,000 to 70,000 US dollars. I'm personally staying in my trade until we are breaking below this horizontal trend line here, which is very, very important to mention. And guys, of course, let me go here back to this one here. What I wanted to talk about, and please stick here with me until the end because the Ethereum content is today probably even more important than the Bitcoin content. I wanted to remind you on this. What you can see here is this line, and of course I wanted to bring it up again. This line I was talking about quite some time ago, and people called me crazy here. Well, as you can see, every single time Bitcoin hit the line, we went into a bear trend, right? Am I saying we are going to go into a bear trend just because we are hitting the line yet? And yes, guys, we didn't surpass it yet. If I'm zooming in, you can see we did not surpass it yet. Actually, Bitcoin had, if I'm going to the weekly candles, you can see it even better. Let me quickly switch over to the weekly candles. You can see that Bitcoin perfectly hit the line here and we have to go above. I personally think this bull market is the bull market where we are going to actually invalidate all this price models, even the stock to flow model. I personally think we are going to crush through, whether now or whether at the second attempt, and then go significantly higher because of the money printing and because of the politics in the markets. But this is a bearish model and I feel obligated to tell you, and as you can see, it is getting legitimized right now here by all the resistance we are basically getting, by all the rejections we are getting here within the last few days and weeks. But I'm not saying that we are not eventually going to break out towards the upside here. These are my outlooks for Bitcoin actually in the immediate short term, and for the longer term I want to talk about that as well before I go over to Ethereum. By the way, guys, if you're watching this video right now, go down below. If you're new to the MMCrypto family, I will be updating you in the future more also about altcoin trades, so make sure you sign up down below. Also, not only to Bybit and to Phoenix where I'm trading on Bitcoin, make also also sure that you are clicking the link down below for Binance, because there I have a $700 link. And with these 3 links, you get $1,100 for free on a 20x leverage. That's $22,000 trade completely for free. So click the link down below. I always make sure with these exchanges, I have a contact person there that I'm always getting the highest bonus from the whole crypto YouTube. Click the links down below right now. Let's go over here to Bitcoin, and quickly wanted to remind you my price target here for the next few weeks. And guys, here you might think I'm crazy. I am here talking about the $100,000 level. And how am I calculating that? Well, I'm taking the previous all-time high at 62,000 and pulling it all the way down. Da Vinci actually found that. It's not me. Big credits to Da Vinci here. The Fibonacci extension level, if you're taking it from 0 here all the way down to the previous high, then it is predicting us for the golden ratio exactly the $100,000 level. And this is what I'm looking out for Bitcoin after we are hitting the 70,000. This might take maybe 1, 2, 3 more months, but I think we are eventually going to hit it. Now, what is happening to Ethereum? Well, let me go over back here into the hourly candles and let's see what's happening for Ethereum, because nothing has changed here. We broke out of our symmetrical triangle and the price target is still $2,550. I remember when people were laughing at me, and right now we are so close, like 2-3% away. This is the time to take profits. If you took a profitable trade right here, congratulations to you. This is why the MMCrypto community is so successful and so profitable. Make sure you take profits below the target. Now is the time if you're in a profitable trade. I will be updating you about the next potential trade for Bitcoin. But the most important thing is this. This is what I want to talk about. Let me go back to the monthly candles here. If you are subscribed to the MMCrypto channel, you remember how I was talking about this here, guys. You remember how I was talking about the monthly candles for Ethereum measured in Bitcoin, and we broke out of this symmetrical triangle. It's not a perfect one, but it's like converging trend lines, right? We broke out on the monthly, and I published an extremely bullish video why Ethereum was around the $1,000 levels. And I told you I'm significantly scaling into Ethereum right now. This is measured in Bitcoin. Remember that Bitcoin went up severely as well during that time period. If we are going over to the weekly candles, you can see that I published the video here. We went up afterwards, everything fine. Then Ethereum went down against Bitcoin and people said, Chris, you are wrong, you are wrong. No, guys, look at this. We got, and this is the most important thing, we got the bounce at the previous resistance, which is now turning into support. And this is a monthly trend. Ethereum it doesn't look like it's so far, but I am telling you, highest likelihood is Ethereum is turning extremely bullish here, measured in Bitcoin right now. And if we are breaking above this one, the question is, what is the price target? And this is, guys, this is the reason why you are sticking here until the very end of the video. The most important stuff is coming in the very end of the video. Thank you so much for sticking until the end. Look at this price target, guys. It's measuring from May 2017. Let me take it out again. It's gone from May 2017. And if I'm pulling it from the top to the bottom, then you can see, oh, come on. Then you can see the price target is insane. I wanna show it to you guys. You would not believe it if I wouldn't tell you here and if I wouldn't measure it. The measured move price target would bring us approximately 520% towards the upside, measured in Bitcoin. And now consider, guys, wait a second. Now consider that Bitcoin is probably going up as well. We are talking about a price target of at least $10,000 for Ethereum. Let me know what you think about that, guys. And this is personally what I'm looking out for Ethereum. I am still bullish on Ethereum. This is my Bitcoin trade, $3.4 million in a profit over on Binance, Bybit, Phemex as well, and on Binance, 11.5 Bitcoin, also another $700,000 in profits. So as you can see, I am not taking profits on these trades yet, since we are not breaking the bullish structure for Bitcoin. So how can I get back here to my camera mode? Actually, let me quickly see how I can. It seems like I'm actually trapped in a circle here. Oh geez, come on. Here, now it might be working. There, perfect. Smash up the like button, guys, if you appreciate my technical noobiness here. Thank you so much for watching until the very end. Bitcoin 100,000, Ethereum $10,000. Sounds crazy. I think it's in the room of possibilities. The charts are perfectly outlining that on the higher time frames. When in doubt, zoom out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Smash up the like button, join the MMCrypto family, use the links down below. $1,100 for free. Bybit, Phemex, and also Binance Futures here now new as a partner of ours. Thank you so much for watching. I really see you very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. As always, guys, as always, bye bye.